What do you eat when you get sweet cravings but don't want to indulge in the options you usually find in the grocery stores that aren't very good for you? I've got an idea. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we have a ton of fun in the kitchen creating delicious and healthy recipes. Also, at the end, I always give them a taste and give you my honest feedback, as well as variations so that hopefully most people can try these recipes that have different dietary needs. Today, we are going to be making a chocolate banana dessert smoothie. Begin by adding 2 frozen bananas to your high-speed blender. And I love keeping frozen bananas around just because they add such a wonderful creaminess and texture to smoothies. They also provide potassium, which is an essential mineral and electrolyte. 2 tablespoons of salted almond butter for some protein and fat. 2 tablespoons of either cacao, cocoa, or carob powder. So the difference between cocoa and cacao powder is cacao is processed at a lower temperature, so it just maintains more of its enzymes, nutrients, and minerals than cocoa powder. Both will work great though in this recipe. 2 large pitted dates for some added sweetness. You can absolutely omit this if you want to, but since this is a dessert smoothie, I'm going to add it in. And one little tidbit here. So if you are suffering from constipation, you can take one of these dates, soak it in some water overnight, and then eat the date in the morning, and it should really help support your digestion and getting going again. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, which are rich in healthy fats, protein, and minerals. So hemp seeds are considered a complete protein in that they contain all of the essential amino acids. 1/2 cup to 1 cup of your favorite unsweetened nut milk. And it just depends on the desired thickness of your smoothie. So you can start off on the lower end and then add in more milk until you get it just perfect. If you end up adding in too milk, just add in some more ice cubes and that will thicken it up really nicely. Last, we have 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for some wonderful flavor. Blend up all of your ingredients until you reach a creamy consistency. We've come to my favorite part. It is time to give this dessert smoothie a taste. Just so you know, I added on some toppings. I added some full-fat coconut cream, unsweetened shredded coconut, a little bit of cinnamon, a few stevia sweetened chocolate chips. Some other things you might want to add are some of your favorite trail mix, maybe some cacao nibs, maybe some more of that cacao powder on top. Get really creative. Even some nuts or seeds would be delicious. And also, if you want to spice this up just a little bit, you can add in some cayenne pepper, my favorite. Maybe some grated ginger root would be delicious. You could even add in a couple of scoops of our Clean Source Collagen's powder to up the collagen in the smoothie. So now, let's give it a taste. Yep, that is a dessert smoothie worth making. It's so good and you don't feel guilty about having it. It's delicious. So one thing, I did add in 3/4 cup of milk and then 5 ice cubes. I'm also underneath these hot lamps, so it might have melted it a little bit, but I like my smoothies nice and thick. I thought it was so good. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, be well, make healthy choices this week, and be sure to tune in next week for another delicious and healthy recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.